I'm very excited to announce that this Friday I will be releasing a build video. I'm going to give you a sneak peek of the video in a minute. If you follow me on social media already, you'll know what the kit is. If you don't follow me on social media, I'd recommend that you do so that you don't miss out on any updates. And also, I'm going to be doing a Q&A video next week. So if you follow me on social media, you can send me your questions and also photos of your model, and I'll do my best in the video to answer any questions you have and solve any problems that you might have with the painting or the weathering or whatever. You can ask me anything, but there is one question that I'd like everyone to avoid, and that is, where's the Bismarck video? Because I get asked that a lot, so much so that my friends have actually got it printed on a t-shirt for me, which unfortunately I don't have at the moment. So yeah, please don't ask where the Bismarck is, just don't do it. Anyway, here's a sneak peek of the video that's coming on Friday. I have done something different with this one. I'm going to be releasing it in 60 frames per second. Hopefully that means that you guys can use the YouTube playback settings and slow it down so it's actually in real time in case it's too fast for you. Anyway, let's have a watch. To add more realism to the model, I decided to add some colour modulation with a fine brush. I took the base colour of Humbrol 159 Khaki Drab and mixed it with some brown paint. Then I did the same with some yellow paint to get a range of different shades. Thinning this slightly with a drop of water allowed me to get a good consistency for blending. So I'm really looking forward to adding the finishing touches to this video so it's ready for Friday. I'm excited for you guys to see it. And I'm really interested to know what you guys think of the 60 frames per second and whether it's actually helpful. Anyway, until then, get sending me your questions and I'll see you on Friday.